Good morning. Day 3 starts. We are going to Vancouver Lookout, last place to visit in the to-do list. We might take the ferry to North Vancouver. From Vancouver Lookout Point, you get a good view of water, nearby mountains and the city. This place is Waterfront Station. We started our walk down from there. We just got to know that the sign that we want to visit is right there. This is a beautiful place, guys. I totally missed this place. So our next stop is Vancouver Lookout, which is right there. Today's weather is quite sunny, so we are expecting a good view from the lookout point. Entering into this building, Vancouver Lookout is right below.
Directly and enjoy the view.
So from here you can see the whole downtown. So on this side you can see the Stanley Park, West Vancouver. And here on the back side it's another part of the downtown. So downtown is it's an amazing place to be. It's a Burnaby. The beautiful. From this place you get whole 360-degree view of the entire Vancouver and the around area. It includes the Vancouver downtown, various parts of the Vancouver city or the surrounding cities like Surrey, Burnaby, West Vancouver, North Vancouver, and then there is Mount Senior view as well. So you can almost cover everything from this spot. That was the place where we clicked Vancouver city sign view, and behind that's a port of Vancouver. We visited there yesterday, and besides that it's a Canada Center. So ticket to visit here is not that expensive. Definitely visit this place and enjoy the beautiful view of city of Vancouver. If you have visited Seattle Space Needle, I think it's pretty much similar, but here you have variety of views to enjoy. So we are planning to take ferry from this place all the way up to the North Vancouver. To visit the North Vancouver and take the sea bus, I just reached the Waterfront Station. So the Waterfront Station is the last station of the train. Bought the day pass from this compass collector. After buying the ticket, entered into the station. Go. The Waterfront Station. That's the Canada place where you can see the big ship. So the ferry here is called as a sea bus. Frequency is every 10 minutes there is one ferry. So the sea bus is to Lonsdale Quay. That's the other side of the Vancouver. I'll go down and catch the sea bus from here. We just missed the current ferry and we are right now in the waiting area. So the next ferry is after 10 minutes. Lonsdale Quay Sea Bus Terminal. You have lot many options to explore. You can get a bus and go up to the north. You can have some food. There are a lot of things like Starbucks, pizza. So you have an amazing view of the Vancouver downtown from this place. This looks pretty much like a San Francisco downtown. So right in front of the station there is a small market. After spending some time in this market, we thought of catching our next ferry back to Vancouver downtown. So you tap the compass card and then you can enter into the station. Got down from the ferry and I'm ending my morning tour here. We went to Vancouver Sign, then we went to Vancouver Lookout Point, and then unexpectedly we took the Vancouver Sea Ferry and we went to North Vancouver, which was initially not a part of our plan. And in afternoon we will go to Granville Island Market and explore some local food there. Day 3 evening, and I'm going to meet my friend who works in Vancouver. So our plan is to go to Vancouver Science Center and from there take a water cab to Granville Island Market, which is another famous attraction. This is the Science Center stop, and Science Center is right across the street. So this is the Science World. I think the time for Science World is over. Behind me, that's the Science World. And I took train from the Vancouver downtown. It's very convenient, Expo line. You have to get down at the Science Center stop. This is a beautiful panoramic view of Science World and the surrounding buildings. That water cab, the aqua bus, and you can purchase a ticket here, and this will take us all the way to Granville Public Market. How many is it? This is an amazing site, guys. Definitely must visit place. towards Granville Public Market, and there's a walk all the way from the Aqua bus stop. You can see the beautiful view of the Vancouver downtown and the amazing buildings. I did not really plan this trip because I wasn't sure like how we will reach here, but with the public transport we were able to make it. Here pretty late, that's why the market is closed, so the shops are also closed. I think the market end time is 6. This is the public parking spot for Granville Island Public Market. If you are coming here with your own car, you can park here, or if you are coming with public transport, then two options. One, you can get down to the stop behind this building and walk down, or the other option is you can come from the Burrard Street, and right from there you can take the Aqua bus and come to the market. Today we actually arrived little late, so the market is closed. Make sure you come before maybe 4 o'clock so that you will have all the shops to explore. So now it's time for us to head back to hotel and end our day. Like these are statues with various kinds of expression. Read about this place online, but we never thought of going to this place. It was very far from the place that where we are staying in downtown, so we didn't prioritize this one.